What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I just got up to work. Now I'm about to give you guys a walkthrough of my truck and let you guys know what I'm going to be doing coming up when I get some money after Christmas. After Christmas, I'm going to be changing everything up in this truck. I'm going to be changing up the door speakers. These are stock Bose door speakers. So all my door speakers are going to be aftermarket after I get done. And I still got my stuff all hooked up besides the speaker. I got my SCAR amp still hooked up and got my extra battery in the back. And I said coming up this summer I'm changing out the alternator to like high performance alternator. So after that, this will be all good. This will be really loud. But it's work in progress, guys. It takes time, it takes money. But I'll be getting everything all hooked back up pretty soon. And I just want you guys to know, I'm not advertising smoking. I use this to help me quit smoking cigarettes. If YouTube wants to hold it against me and not monetize my channel when it becomes time, that's up to them. I'll go to a different platform. If YouTube wants to do me bogus, let them do me bogus, because I'll find a different platform where I can make videos and get monetized. It's no biggie, because I love making videos. I love talking to you guys. I love doing the stuff I do. And if YouTube's got a problem with it, let them have a problem. Let them take it to the grave with them. Like with me, smoking pot. It mellows me out. It calms me down. And once in a while, I start aching and stuff, and it helps with the pain and stuff. There's a bunch of people out there that smoke pot and put videos up. Like there's a bunch of people that vape and put videos up. I don't smoke pot all the time. I just do it when I really need to feel relaxed. Like after having a bad day at work, it helps. It calms you down. Instead of you going all crazy and stuff and flipping out, smoke a little Mary Jane and you forget about everything. Yeah, pretty soon in Illinois pot will be legal, so our new governor is pushing for it right now, so it'll be just like Michigan. Yeah, I used to smoke pot every day back in the day when I used to be in a metal band. mellows you out, calms you down, makes you focus. And a lot of people still got a problem with it. But that's because a lot of people need to be educated on it. Half of these people that complain about it don't know nothing about it. They're like, oh, this is bad for you. How about all these new research coming out that is curing cancer and stuff? How about if your loved one has cancer and they smoke pot and next thing you know their cancer goes away? Are you still going to be pointing fingers? Yeah, because most people just love pointing fingers. They can't live their life without just pointing a finger at somebody for a day. Or judging people. Everybody acts like they're the judge, but they're not the judge of nobody. Jesus Christ is my judge. I don't judge people. Because I'm not a judge. We're all going to die one day, and the real judge is going to judge. And that's Jesus Christ. Me, I just say live your life to the fullest and be happy. And just live and learn from your mistakes. And when it comes time for you to die, just ask for forgiveness for judging people. Because you know what? God's going to judge you big time for judging. That's why I don't judge. We're all human. We all make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. I know I made a lot of mistakes in my life. And there's a bunch of them I regret. And all you can do is just learn and live from your mistakes. Take it a day at a time and just live life. And you know what? I'm happy. I got something that'll help me quit smoking. My younger brother smokes weed. He has not had a cigarette in over 7 months already. He's been quit smoking cigarettes for 7 months. And I'm real happy that he was able to quit. Well, it's pretty cool, guys. I love my life. I'm just living and learning from all my mistakes and stuff. We're all human. Man, hopefully the Chicago Bears, man, hopefully they win tonight. I'm hoping. That'd be nice. Man, this new coil is doing the trick, man. It's not killing my battery like it was. Before it was killing my battery like crazy. Yeah, I just want you guys to know, I'm so grateful that you guys are becoming a part of my channel. And thanks for everybody that's subscribed and stuff. And these videos are going to get a lot better too, guys. So keep watching and keep showing me all the support and all the love, guys. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. I just wanted to let you guys know. I just want you guys to know also, because just because I smoke pot doesn't make me a bad guy. I just hope YouTube doesn't demonetize my videos when it comes time. But whatever happens, happens, I guess. There's nothing I can do. It's out of my control. Yeah, I was just talking to my one buddy. He knows a guy that got his YouTube channel monetized, and because he was vaping in his video, YouTube threatened to demonetize his channel because of vaping. I mean, that's pretty stupid if they're going to be that low down to demonetize your video because you're vaping in it. That's crazy. All these new regulations with YouTube, I'm telling you, it's just going to drive everybody crazy. It's going to drive everybody into like not liking YouTube anymore. And YouTube's going to start losing a lot more people. I'm a new YouTuber, so I got a lot to learn. I got a lot to learn. But once I start making my basing videos again, that'll be okay. Because I'm not going to use no copyright music. I'm going to use my buddy's music. So that'd be pretty cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support, guys. You guys are the best. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, guys. You guys have a great day. I'm on my way off to work, guys. You guys have a fun day. Bye.